feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day. We're driving downtown, full pushed on the pedal. Move to songs we play together. Feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day.
Hey guys, we're gonna check out 5208 on the Carnival Horizon. This is a Havana interior with a very unique layout. So we'll start at the door. Has your muster information. So muster here would be D3, which is the first level of the aft dining room. And you do need a key card in order to operate the lights in the room, but there's already one in here, so you don't have to worry about that. And of course your light switch. Then, of course, you got your bed, and this could be split into two twins if you need to split the bed up. Go over here. Got a flat screen TV. And you got your, what's this? Then you got your fridge. There we go. Two towels and nice little shelving areas. You got a nightstand here. Thing to mention, there are no USB ports on this side of the bed. But there is a light switch, as you can tell there. The light switch for the lamp. You can see a little bit better from this side. Walk around. And same thing. Light switch for the lamp. And light switch for the main lights. And there are no USBs here either. So since there are no USBs here, what you can do is have a really long cord and either have the two USB-A's there, and there's two American outlets here, or if you happen to have a European plug, you could put one there as well. Of course, light switch for the vanity right here. Phone. And underneath the desk area here, there's another little cubby here, plus your hair dryer. This one does not come out. And outside of the bathroom, there is a thermostat. And let's make sure. Yep, it's all the way cool. So we will keep it that way. Let's head on to the bathroom. I guess the light was already on. And we have a shower curtain. That doesn't bother us though. Come in here. And this one has the LMS shampoos. So you have your conditioning shampoo and your bath and shower gel. Adjustable shower head. Of course, your water pressure and your temperature. And of course, we all know what that is. Let's see if it does work. It sure works. Of course, your towels, your makeup shaving mirror, shaver outlet up there. Got some shelves. Some little cubbies here, along with your trash bin, tissue holder, more shelves, and me. All right. And it is a little awkward, especially if you're trying to get ready with the shelves, well, with the closet right there and the door, but we can manage. Let's check out the first closet. Got a couple robes, lots of hangers, and it's a hanging, which we have our stuff in here already, along with a full-length mirror. Then, second one has shelves in it, along with your safe, another shelf, and 3 drawers. Yeah, and that is all, guys. This is 5208 on the Carnival Horizon. And we have 8 great nights in this room on this ABC cruise. And if you were interested in booking this room or any cruise at all, I am a travel agent. And links to my travel agency is down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next excursion.
Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love. Show me light, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got.